We're here at Knepp Wildland Safaris in Sussex, which is a rewilding project, and they've let Knepp go back to nature. It's a 3,500 acre site, previously farmland, and it's now being managed for wildlife. What we're hearing, it's like 11 o'clock at night, is a male nightingale in full swing in some of the dense kind of thickets and hedgerows that have grown here. Absolutely incredible song. We've been listening to him for about 10 minutes, and he is proclaiming his territory. Absolutely beautiful sound. Have a listen. Pretty unbelievable, eh? So one of the real success stories of Knepp is that because they've let all the hedgerows grow in and nature reclaim the land, it's got the highest density of nightingales in the UK, which is pretty incredible. And cuckoos and turtle doves and lots of other farmland declining species are really thriving here. So looking forward to exploring more in the morning. Now I think we've just found another one under this tree platform. So we're up in the tree platform and the view up here is amazing. There's a blackbird in the background, but the nightingale's starting again. Have a listen.